Hey, what's up, everybody? This is yours truly, Javon Brody from HYV Fitness. Man, I want to welcome you to our nutrition platform. If you have not already downloaded it, make sure that you go to Evolution Nutrition. If you haven't received a password, you can go ahead and select Forget Password, and you can reset your password. Or if your coach have already created your password for you, you can also message your coach and they'll let you know. All right, so let me go ahead and show you my little pretty face. All right, as you can see, I'm looking a little bit bummy here. But anyway, let me go ahead and hide my face because that's not what we're here for. All right, so right now we're going to go, right now I'm going to show you how to navigate your nutrition portal. All right, so you see in this top left hand corner right here, that's going to be a navigation screen. All right, also in the right hand corner, ooh, that's your settings right here too, right, as well. All right, so that's where you access the settings, the account settings, and all that jazz. Okay. Now that we're out here, we're just going to go to profile. All right. If you want to go back to see your profile, you can go here, top right hand corner, and then select profile. All right. Now we're going to go back to that navigation in the top left hand corner, and then we're going to select my plans. All right. So if your coach wrote a my plan for you, you should have already have access to it. All right. So you should have a plan that's already started. But if you have something that's already pending, ready to start, you can go ahead and select start or begin plan. All right. So once you do that, if you don't know how to access it, you can go ahead and message your coach and then they will be able to walk you through it. Okay. So this is what we're going to do right now. I'm going to show you how to create your own self-service plan with your coach. We're going to head and select this button right here to create a self-service plan. All right. Or you can request a pro plan from your coach. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and select a self-service plan and then you can name it whatever you like. So right now I'm going to head and name it Shred Fat, not Nutter. Pause. Shred Fat Nutrition. All right. And then while you're walking with your coach, your nutrition coach, all right, you should be following the daily guidelines as well. All right. So normally, depending on what your particular goal is, you can set it from uh, how many meals that you want to eat per day. You can go with whatever category, all right, whatever category that you want to try. All right. So if you want to try low carb, which me as your nutrition coach don't really normally recommend. If you're lactose free, it all depends on what your what your nutritionist say, what your doctors say. All right. If you want to focus on holistic nutrition, which is something that most of my clients normally do, then we can go ahead and do that. So there's multiple options to choose from. All right. So depending on what your goal is, some of my client may be in the 2022-50 range, but whatever your coach decides for you or whatever you and your coach agree upon based on the nutrition guidelines, then you can go ahead and select that. Okay. And then macro profile is normally, it's optional, but I like to keep it at all to just give me a variety of what my macro intake want to look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and select save and then go ahead and select next. All right, so once I select next, it gives me an option of the different nutrition plans that's out there that I can choose from, that I can spice up my meals. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select any one of those. All right, and then here it is. Now, when you reach step 3, you and your nutrition coach are normally gonna go through this. So don't worry about what times you should eat. All right. Because when you work with your nutrition coach, however time works best for you is and what time that you want to commit to is all depending on you. We're not going to recommend what time you should eat. We're going to recommend what healthy options are out there for you. Okay. And what you can stay committed to. All right. So if I like, eggs, whole grain oats, raisins, and water. All right. I want to go through each each day, each meal. All right. Like I said, don't worry about the time. We're not going to worry about what time you should eat. Is all depending on you. All right. We're only going to recommend healthy alternatives and educate you on what healthy alternatives that you should choose from. All right. So this is to help you understand the concepts of eating healthy. All right. And there are foods that are in different categories and you can swap them at any time. All right. So if you're looking to edit your nutrition program, you can do it right here on the bottom. All right, so you see this button right here, these two buttons, select as is. So if you select as is, that means it's going to stay the same, but you can always adjust it. All right, or you can go ahead and select and edit. All right, so we're going to go to select and edit. All right, and when you're right here, you can select the swap menu and whatever food that you prefer, you can go ahead and type it in up top right here. If you want to add a food, add a meal, or add a day, you can go ahead and do so. All right. But we're not going to do that just for the sake of time. So down below, we're going to go ahead and select save changes. And since you have save changes right here, your new plan will already be populated up top. All right. So we're going to go ahead and select start my plan. All right. So if you already had a plan or a nutrition program created by you and your coach, then you can go ahead and select start my plan. Your shopping list is going to be down below right here too as well. All right. So it'll give you different foods to choose from and foods to shop for. All right. Go ahead and select close down bottom and then you can select start my plan. When you start my plan, you can go ahead and select follow my plan. All right. And you can do that. You can swap it, like I said before. So if you didn't eat raisins, but let's say that you had avocado instead, you can apply it to this meal. Boom. All right. And then you can go ahead and say I had it for that day. Boom. 12 if it stays the same. Boom. Next meal. Bam. All right. Very simple. And then when the next day comes around, you can go ahead and go to the next day. And if you end up changing meals, you can still select the swap option. All right, day 3, still the same. Day 4 is still the same. Day 5 is still the same. Day 6, you can still do the same. And day 7. All right. So once you're done, go ahead and select next meal. Next meal at the bottom. Once you're done here, you can go ahead and select close. So you can go through that at any time. You can follow the plan or you can go off of the different concepts. So go ahead and try this app out for yourself and let your coach know how it works and if you whether or not you're having any problems whatsoever. Take care.